So what we have to do in our cases, particularly the cases that involve an automobile wreck or an 18-wheeler wreck, is we have to recreate the scene to show the jury exactly what happened to our clients. Show the actions of the defendant, show how the actions of the defendant caused our client's injuries or unfortunate death. And then a lot of times it can actually see the damages. So what we do is that we hire a team of experts who actually go out to the scene, and we have lasers that laser everything. I mean, even the embankments along the highway, the exact width of the highway, the exact width of the lanes, the trees on the side of the road. Anywhere there's a driveway or a road that turns off near the scene of the wreck, we're going to capture that data. Then we're going to go and we're also going to laser all the vehicles involved so that we have the exact measurements of the vehicles. Then we recreate the scene after we do our investigation, because we also, in today's technology, vehicles have computers on them. And those computers can tell us how fast we're traveling, when we hit the brakes, when we turn the steering wheel and how hard we turn the steering wheel, and all kinds of data that the computers in today's vehicle will show us. We go to the scene, we get that computer data, we find out the details, and then we can recreate what happened. Here, this is a recreation of an unfortunate wreck that occurred, and this particular wreck is how it really happened. Here we have the tractor trailer, here we have our clients. So what we have to do is, that's the actual wreck itself. Then we have to show the jury, though, is what would have happened if things were done safely, if the defendant did everything like they're supposed to do. In this particular case, unfortunately, the tractor trailer didn't have safe brakes on it, and it wasn't able to stop. So let me show you, we did a recreation of what should have happened. Tractor trailer, our client. Here's what should have happened. There's no wreck at all. Our clients aren't hurt whatsoever. In that particular case, that was if the tractor trailer had safe brakes, it could have come to a stop. Now, what we also have to do is we have to show different angles of the wreck. And so what we do is that we work with a recreation artist to show different views of how this wreck happened, because that was a top view, as if we're at a satellite looking down. But what about from the viewpoint of an eyewitness? Or what about the viewpoint from one of the drivers? So if we go to the truck collision, here's the viewpoint of the recreation of this wreck from the tractor trailer. It's a tragic wreck, absolutely preventable. But then we have to then show from that same viewpoint so the jury can see, what does safety look like? The comparison. Same thing, only this one involves safety. Our clients are not injured. Unfortunately, that's just not the truth. So this is just an example of an animation and how we can take all of the facts that we gather on behalf of our clients and then show it to the jury.